Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change a language in Black Clover Mobile. So first you just have to launch this game application. Also you have to make sure that this game is up to date. Now here you just have to go to the right corner, top right corner to be exact, and tap this icon right here. Now look for options or gear icon that is below mail. And then under options, you will see their features such as graphics, language. So you just have to tap language. And to change language, you just have to click this English button right here and change your language. So as you can see, these are the available language that you can choose when playing this game. So to choose or to change, tap that language and then click confirm. So as you can see here, you must restart the game to change your language settings. Do you want to continue? Tap confirm. And it will open or launch the game again. So once you open this one, you will see that the language has been changed. And in order to change it again, you just have to do the same method. Tap that icon at the top right corner, tap settings, click language, and change your language. As easy as that. So that's how you change language in Black Clover Mobile. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. See you in our next tutorials.